Hi, I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna redo this studio. As you can see, this wallpaper, it's peel and stick, which is good, except that it's peeling off every day. So I'm gonna remove it and put something different on the wall. You can especially see how it's peeling at all the top areas. The first thing I need to do is remove this giant Nick sign that I made. I also need to remove these little shelves that are on the wall but you never get to see in the shop. I got all of the wallpaper off the wall, and my plan is to cover the wall with this fur. Hopefully I have enough. I'm just going to use these little thumbtacks to attach the fur to the wall. I'm hanging the fur with the fur direction facing up, so that will kind of stick out more on the wall instead of being facing down and it's just all flat and kind of boring. Okay, I got the fur on the wall. It's very furry.
Here I am building some shelving that I can put against the wall so that I can have some fun things I made in the background.
Okay, I got the hair on the wall. I added this blue curtain to add a little bit more contrast. And I put up some of these decorations. I'm gonna do a little bit more decoration and then do some lighting, and then I'll be all done. And there you go. Here's the final studio with the lighting and all the little decorations. Let me know what you think, if I should change the lighting colors or change the setup. And I will leave you with close-ups of all the little weird things I put in the background. Thank you for watching. Bye.